What is the biggest mindset shift needed today? So, how can mid-level managers advocate for investment in talent during budget?
So very good question. I think having been in this industry for 3 decades, as I said, when you look at the shift, very critically, there are two, three aspects which I will touch upon. Is when you look at cost and being a finance person, I will surely, because I'm sure there will be many finance professionals on this. If you look at cost management, it is not about cutting budget from manpower. So for any line manager, I think the first thing and the three critical things which I will look at is you need to have defined strategies for your talent. You need to have very clear framework of implementation. And third, very critical, even if you're looking at cost, you need to have empathy. So if you're a line manager, to my mind, no knee jerk reactions for cost cutting, just go down. It's not something like you can bring cost reduction by reducing the number of people. There is lots more in that space for one to work and bring and still achieve the cost optimization.
You have seen cycles of hiring and restructuring. What is the biggest mindset shift needed today?
So there are many, if I may say. However, the one or two which very prominently comes to my mind in this space of talent and cost is it is very easy for one to go back and say, I want to reduce cost, I want to reduce people. However, the main challenge or thing is instead of investing into new resources, if you use your current resources to optimize, I have seen that giving more benefits in the long run. So that's one thing which surely comes to my mind when you look at this.